International Women's Day. My name is Mary Ojwang. I'm the National Coordinator for Women Students Mentorship Association, a girls' rights organization championing for the female students' empowerment and rights at higher learning institutions. This theme for International Women's Day is rights, action and justice for all women and girls. And our call to action is for more protection of women and girls, more allocation of funding to support girls and young women's project, and access to justice, increasing justice for women and girls, and calling for zero tolerance to FGM and gender-based violence in its totality. Happy International Women's Month and Happy International Women History Month. Join us on social media as we raise more awareness and spotlight voices of women researchers, of activists, and of young women within higher learning institutions as we share our stories of action and our impact. And we hope for you to support us and join us. Follow us on social media at WOSWA.org, _WOSWA.org.